queries for Dr. Cassie. If you have not delivered by Sunday, Monday, he would have had you go to the hospital for induction. You still working?
Friday, my last day.
Yeah, normally if you haven't delivered by Sunday, then Monday you would have been going there for induction to have the baby where they put you into labor because your day past your due date. Yeah, they induce, yeah, to give you the chance to try labor.
This weekend,
Huh?
I was like, this weekend I'm gonna go